All right, guys. So welcome back. We're going to continue looking now at CARRD as a marketing style service that you can offer to folks in your local community. If you've been part of my course community or if you've worked with me in the past with respect to building a brand and a business using these sorts of services, you know that my core approach is to bundle kind of high and back end services into a sort of low bar initial offer. So I'm going to show you really quickly how we can take a very simple sort of card theme or card template that you would sell like newsletter, like a landing page for like local realtors, local CPAs, financial advisors. These could be niche, folks in your niche or professional peers, and you can take this sort of, service that might or landing page that might be a couple $100 offer and turn it into something that's really, really quite valuable quite quickly. So we're going to change this from a newsletter into, again, this proverbial wall of love, client testimonial, client review style landing page that you can offer to your local community as like a social media link in bio alternative that's much more powerful. So let's change this really quickly so you can see what this looks like. And instead of having the newsletter form here, which is what it's set up for now, if you've watched some of these other videos, so for those of you who haven't, this actually will capture emails from any of these services over here on the left, everything from Active Campaign to Sendy. I prefer and recommend Review simply because it's a really easy way for either yourself or your clients to build a newsletter, especially for a local style business, although it could also be really, really useful for niche or sort of market oriented industry news sorts of newsletters. But we're going to skip this for now, and we're still going to leave this there. So that form is still going to live in the same place. All right, and we're going to turn this really quickly into this wall of love style page, which you know that I really love, no pun intended, because it's so easy and it applies to every single type of business under the sun, whether it's therapists, whether it's mindfulness professionals like we're working with, whether it's authors, which we're also working with, or whether for someone like yourself, you're selling services to realtors or local professionals, financial people, CPAs, florists, dentists, doctors, whatever it may be. Everyone gets reviews in the current sort of modern internet era, and everybody wants to aggregate or collect their best reviews in one place when offering their own services to the world, especially via social media. So we're going to paste in a testimonial code here. I copied this already to my clipboard, so I would have it easily accessible. We're going to really quickly make one other little change here. We're going to actually title this so we know what this is, and we're going to call this all right. And this is just for our own internal reference. No one else sees that, but it's good to know what your different blocks are, especially as you're building out a CARRD landing page. All right. So now we're going to publish the site. And now this is live on the internet right now. So you have, instead of newsletter, you have this big wall of love. Want to work with me? Check out some of the amazing things my current clients have to say about my services. We still have the email, opt-in form there, but then below, now we have all of these great reviews, which can go on ad infinitum. In other words, you can have, if you have 500 reviews, you can have 500, testimonials or 500, reviews or whatever the right, client, advocacy, kind of commentaries or videos or tweets or, text-based testimonials. It doesn't matter. This can be done with, any sort of client or customer feedback that you have. It can be from Yelp. You can aggregate things from Amazon, from Google, from Twitter, from Facebook, from YouTube, and all this is handled in the same way. And now all of a sudden, your clients have these, great looking landing pages, which really do a hellacious job of promoting their brand and their business to their social media, fans, followers, and clicks. All right, much better than a single link tree style page where you're just linking out to various things. This is a auto updating, kind of always on the go, kind of evolving, uh, you know page that evangelizes for your client's business. If this is a realtor, for an example, it's much better to have an email sign up and a shit ton of people saying really nice things about this realtor or this CPA or this restaurant than it is just to have a bunch of random links. So this is very easy to sell. You can set up the whole thing for your clients very, very easily using CARRD, and then this back end offer, which is that you're going to not only embed their testimonials or their reviews, but you're also going to help them collect them, and you're going to help them do all sorts of cool things in the service of building their brand and their business. I'll also show you something from our own kind of back end. This is for our mindful marketplace community. This is just a rough sketch of using testimonials as an offer. So, and these are my own notes. I mean, this is literally spelling mistakes and all. Link from primary site. So this is a directory beacon. With the right template, all the client reviews or book reviews, business reviews in one place. Make the landing page with the reviews an important part of your platform. In other words, you're going to tell folks that you're selling this to, and this is actually part of a course that we're teaching a local mindfulness-based professionals, how to set this up for themselves, with the understanding that a large percentage of them won't be able to do it for themselves. So we'll be able to offer a service. And those that can or have an existing web a designer or developer, if they sign up for the testimonial service, we make an affiliate commission of 30% of what they're paying the testimonial company, which is the one that we're using and recommending, which is it could be a significant amount of money. So if you have 100 people paying $50-$60 a month, and you're making 30% of that, that's a couple $1,000s a month in passive income simply by teaching a course to folks on how to do this. I've covered this in some other videos, so if you're interested in seeing that and you're in our community, just let me know. But there's all sorts of ways of monetizing something like this using CARRD, and you could even monetize this, like I just mentioned, without selling anything, simply by dint of using the affiliate referrals as a vehicle by which to make a passive income month over month without doing anything. You get a 30% commission just on the small amount of people. If it's 10 or 20 or 30% of the folks in your course that you're, teaching how to do this in a local community, if they sign up for your, if they sign up for the service that you're recommending with your affiliate link. Okay, doke. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully this is clear to you. If you have questions, as always, feel free to ask. If you want to work with me personally to do this as a designer, marketing studio, digital media brand, etc., in 2023, have a new client cohort starting in about 2 weeks. So towards the latter part of December. If you're interested in learning about that, I can teach you exactly how to use this exact model in real time to make real sales every day to real people in the real world without gimmicks or gurus or any sort of silly, kind of scammy, ridiculousness, which is what the vast majority of these sorts of online course online agency style courses are about. I've been, very mindful recently of looking at some of what people are selling in terms of helping folks launch agencies, and it's mostly nonsense. And this is really, a viable thing that you can do, that we're doing, and we'll show you exactly how to do this for yourself in a very stepwise fashion. Okie doke. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. Thanks.